World Vegan Month. It's this month, it's November. It's been amazing to see everyone posting social media content. All the supermarkets have got vegan products. Basically, it's all kicking off. We're so happy about that. And we're really happy about one more thing. This.
Oh, it's lurking in this box. It's an exciting time to be alive. And whatever is in this box is also very exciting. Shall we open it?
Let's open it. We had to share this moment with you.
Cool.
So let's have a look, shall we? Or do you want to do the honors?
Oh, go on then.
Go
why
on.
not?
Da 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 da.
Ta-da!
Oh, that is a beautiful thing.
Go. That is a brand new cover for How to Live Vegan. Check that bad boy out.
Very cool. So this is the Bosch How to Live Vegan lifestyle book.
Look, and a certain legend says this book will change your life. Russell Brand, thank you for that.
The new cover, this will be hitting shelves on the 1st of December. Happy World Vegan Month, everybody.
Happy World Vegan Month.
Woohoo!